Greetings from Flaten Lake and the Flaten Nature Reserve on these beautiful rocks along the lake. And this is actually this spot I'm visiting for the first time. It is also a bit secluded from the main road, and its spontaneous nudist beach can be used as well, especially when you're on your own here, as the public beaches are a bit further along the coast here. So basically everything else on the lake can be treated as a spontaneous beach spot for nudists as such. And we are at 23rd of August. It is late in the afternoon right now, and we have cloudy weather all day today. There was some rain in the forecast, but so far nothing has come in. And this is beach day 127 on my Sweden beach adventures in this beautiful Flaten lake. Once again, I think I have already made at least 10 episodes this year from the lake, but there are so many beautiful spots here on this lake. And I was actually on the other side a few weeks back on another nudist beach spot over there. And the water you can see here is so clean and nice. It's see-through, and basically you can also jump from here, but I won't do that now. We have 20 degrees Celsius both in the air and in the lake. I have just measured. So despite being a bit cloudy and that it seems like it's so hot, it is not, believe me. And we can see also my gravel bike over there. It took me 10 kilometers to reach here from my home. Easy ride of around 24 minutes, I believe. And yeah, it was mostly road, to be fair. Only the last kilometer was in the forest here in the nature reserve. And yeah, quite nice. And I don't see anyone else actually on the lake in this part, this half part of the lake. I don't think also there is anyone on the public beaches as well, as it is blowing a lot on the open spaces. Here it's a bit more secluded over here. The wind is not blowing inside here. So yeah, I was basically on my way to the sea, and then I realized it's gonna be a lot of wind on the sea, so I just wanted to do a shorter trip today with my bicycle. So let's then get going and enjoy in this beautiful lake with a swim, as it looks so inviting. And just look at that flower that is stretching over towards the water. Not sure what kind of plant is that. And we can see a lot of seashells here in the water. I'm now confused. Seashells, lake shells, what I'm trying to say. I see lots of shells here. I'm not really sure how common they are in lakes, but this lake is quite filled with lots of different fish and other plants, as it is part of a nature reserve. Right, cool. Then I'm now standing on a rock here, and I'm ready for the swim in this beautiful nature in Flaten, Stockholm, Sweden, of course. That's where I live. And it feels like a bit more colder than 20 as I go in, because I just measured on the top layer. But anyway, let's go with the swim. Look at that. Look at my beach spot for today. These wonderful rocks over here in the most beautiful nature, where I'm all alone and enjoying to the maximum. A lot of wind as well, as you can see now. Let's see if the rain is on its way or not, but I definitely ticked off my beach adventure for today, for sure. and this is basically also spontaneous nudist beach spot. You can basically come here and then swim naked also as well. It's not that uncommon as it is in the middle of the nature, as long as there are no clouds. Oh, now it is blowing even harder. Yes. Cool, so happy Friday then from Flaten Lake once again on this channel, and let's see where I'm going to head off for the weekend. But the weather is gonna be around the same, I think, cloudy this weekend. Let's go for some sun at least. But beach adventures with Chris continue as usual. So thanks so much for watching this episode with me from this beautiful nature, and yeah, I'm gonna see you soon then again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.